Hey guys, I want to talk about how to multiply two two-digit numbers using the box method. Remember, our problem needs to be written like this, and then we can go ahead and put our numbers in expanded form. For 45, that would give us 40 plus 5, and for 17, that would give us 10 plus 7. Next, we can draw our box. Since 40 and 5 are from the same number, they will go on the same side, 40 and 5, same with 10 and 7. Next, we'll draw our lines. Looking in the first box, first I go left, then I go up. Here I know I'm going to multiply 10 times 40. I can think of this as 1 times 4, which I know is 4, and then I'll add 1, 2 zeros to the end of my answer. In my next box, first I go left, then I go up. Here I'll multiply 10 times 5. I can think of this as 1 times 5, which is 5. Add 1 0, giving me an answer of 50. In my next box, first I go left, then I go up. 7 times 40, or 7 times 4, which I know is 28. Add 1 0 to the end. In my last box, first I go left, then I go up. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now I'm ready to start adding up my answers. As I pull my answers out to add them, I want to make sure that I'm circling them in the box. I'm going to start with 400 plus 280. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 6 will give me 6. I'm going to come over here and circle the 50 to add in. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. I'm going to rewrite 730 over here. Circle the 35 to add. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 7 plus nothing, or 0, would give me 7. My answer is 765.